Good afternoon, guys. We are on I-90 here near Kingsville, Ohio, making our way over here to the Speedco in Austinburg, Ohio, and then on over to the shop in Wadsworth. Thanks for joining me. Alright, just got off the exit here in Austinburg, Ohio. Just about at the Speedco. This is a nice road. Wow. Oh yeah. Save a lot. Let's see, we should be right here. Oh yeah. Don't look too bad. Which way do you go in? Go around back? Let's see. Oh yeah. You want over here, over there? Well, there's two trucks in the tire bay. We'll see how long that's gonna be. Might have only end up getting the 3-box change. Yeah, there's just that one pin there. All right, in and out. That was good. 34 minutes. $34 minutes and $423. Anyway, we got that done. I should have done it a while ago, changing all them fluids, but just never seemed to got around to it. I mean, the fluid looked all right coming out. It was a little dark. Man, this road. It'll rattle your bones. Holy mackerel. It's all these concrete slabs and each one drops down as you go onto it. Well, it is what, 3:22 right now. Wonder if I should try to get this thing washed before I head to the shop. Or not. Let's see. We'll find out. Let's see when I get over towards my signal there, guy. Get over that way. We got another, I think it's 90 something miles or 88 miles to the shop. It's a warm one here though, 85 degrees. We haven't had any warm weather like this yet at my house. I think, oh, well, maybe it got into the upper 70s one day, like 2 weeks ago. Damn, that new fluid I can't shift. Cleveland, 50 miles. Back on I-90. Let's see, we got waiting for the GPS to finish thinking. 84 miles to the shop. That's if we go straight there. Maybe we'll swing by the truck wash, but I got a feeling it'll be packed today. We'll see. All right, we just decided to take a swing past the blue beacon here, and we're getting in line. So we only got 2 trucks ahead of us. Let's see. Yeah, one they've already started. They got them sticking in the bay. And then I just remembered there's another Speedco right down the road over here. I get done here pretty quick. I might run down there and see if I can get my front tires balanced, because I didn't do them over at Austinburg because they had a couple-hour wait. So well, let's see how long this takes. I gotta check something. I heard like an air when I was on the highway. I heard like a noise, like all the air rushing out of something. I don't know if it came from my truck or not. So not like a tire blowout, but just like a it's the best I can explain it. I want to see if I got any problems. Alright guys, so we got our truck washed. We left over there and we went over to Speedco right down the street. And they didn't have any tire service at that one, so we weren't able to get our front tires balanced. But we'll see, maybe we can get it done on the way back home. Anyway, I'm here at the shop and just gotta wait till morning. Glass appointment for the windshield is between 8 and noon. The mechanic, he's gonna come in about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's supposed to be raining overnight and raining in the morning, so he's gonna open up the bay by 8 so that he can do the windshield inside. Anyway, so we're out here. We made it out okay. Did get the fluids changed in the rear ends and the tranny, which was good because it needed it, and got the truck washed, so it looks a lot better. Anyway, we're going to call it a night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, good morning from Wadsworth, Ohio. We're here. It is 7:50. Mechanic is supposed to be here at 8 o'clock. And SafeLight's supposed to send me a text and be here between 8 and noon. So he's gonna text me when he's on the way. I already got an email with the guy's name and everything. So we're here and waiting. It's raining out this morning. It's like in the 60s, so it's not bad out. But let's see what the day brings.
They probably have, John.
Wow, that drum is really...
But this is what you gotta look at. The groove, the shit is ripped out of the drum, is now embedded in the shoe. But I'd have a lot of time. We gotta get the metal, or leave it there. See that right there? There's a piece of it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Holy crap, I didn't expect that.
Alright guys, so we're done in the shop for day number 1 here, so we're going to definitely be staying over for tomorrow. Only because some of the parts didn't show up and they won't be here till tomorrow. So you saw how bad that brake was. It was pretty much metal on metal. What happened is that pad filled up with road dirt and grime and whatnot, and it actually started wearing the drum down, and pieces of the metal came off the drum and embedded in the pad, so it was pretty much a metal to metal type contact. Even though the pad was, you know,
still pretty new. It was still thick. That is no good. So the drum is shot. Those brake shoes are shot on the left side. So we had to order 2 new drums and 2 new sets of pads. We're going to try a different pad this time. We're going to try a cheaper pad and see if, instead of next time it wearing the metal like that, that the pad itself will come apart easier so that it doesn't do that. Anyway, we'll see what happens. But reason we're going to get a set of 2 drums and 2 sets of pads is because you never replace one side and not do the other, or you get uneven braking. So that's what we got to do with that. The PMs are done. New windshield is in. It's amazing how clear it is. And I don't know if you can see up there, the lights are not in. So we had bought the new seals for the cab lights up there above the windshield, and turns out one of the lights was cracked enough that we just decided to go ahead and replace all 5 of the bulbs up there. So they'll be here tomorrow too, and the air dryer will be here tomorrow. So yeah, so probably be here most of the day tomorrow too. Anyway, that's just a little update from the shop here in Wadsworth, Ohio, and nothing else really going on here. It's damp and humid outside, so getting later in the evening now, so we're gonna have our dinner and just kind of relax here. We stay right in the shop here in my truck, and tomorrow will be another day. Anyway, appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next video and find out what happens with the truck, and everybody take care.